Welcome student, today's online class. Okay, today we are going to learn about the new method it is of finding LCM, prime factorization method. Okay, in your chapter 5 that is. So in prime factorization method what we have to do that let us take an example of finding LCM of 8 and 12. Finding LCM of 8 and 12. So within that what we have to do in prime factorization, first of all we have to know about some prime numbers. If we are not clear with prime numbers, then first of all go through the prime numbers, clear it. And factorization, I already explained some factors in the last video also, and prime numbers also I explained. Okay, so go through that video. So prime factorization method LCM, how we can find? So we have to factorize each number 8 and 12. So let us factorize 8 first. So to factorize 8 with prime factorization, we have to divide it with prime numbers only. Okay, like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. These are your prime numbers. So first of all, we have to start from 2. We have to start from 2, and if it is not divisible by 2, then we go to number 3, and if this is not divisible with 3, then we go to 5 and then 7. So as it is, we have to check that 8 is divisible by 2 or not. So I think it is divisible by 2. You all of you acquainted with the tables also. So 2 4 ja 8. Okay, 2 4 ja 8. Again the remainder 4, which is again divided by the prime number, we have to divide it again, that is 4 also divisible by 2. So take 2 here, and 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Again 2 1s are 2. Okay, so these are the factors of 8, and these are the prime factor of 8. These are only the prime factor of 8. So now let's write 8 is equal to 2 cross 2 cross 2. If you multiply the factors, you find the value 8. Okay. Now again we have to factorize 12. So take 12 first. Let's check whether 12 is divisible by 2 or not. So I think 12 is divisible by 2. So take 2 first. 2 6 ja 12. Again 6 for 6 also divisible by 2. So I will take 2 here, and 2 3 ja 6 it is. Now 3 here. So for 3 check with 2 first whether 3 is divisible by 2 or not. So I think 3 is not divisible by 2. So we do not take 2 here. So next number is 3. So we have to check 3 with the number next number 3. And 3 is divisible by 3 also. 3. Okay. So 3 1 ja 3. So these are the factors of 12, and these are only the prime factors of 12. So write here the prime factors of 12. 2, 2 and 3. Okay. Now we have to find the LCM. So what we have to do? LCM is equal to what you have to do? Just common the numbers, take the common numbers, 2 is common, here also 2 is common, so take it 2 into 2, multiply 2, okay, from the 2 commons 1 2 will be taken, and from this 1 2 will take, and also we have to take the uncommon numbers. We have to take the uncommon numbers. Here 2 is uncommon and 3 also uncommon, and 3 also uncommon. Okay, so first common numbers you have to take, after that you have to find out all the uncommon numbers from here and from here also. Okay, so here and just multiply these numbers, you've got, it is 24. So LCM of 8 and 12 is what? 24. It is very easy process, you go through this, and it is also used in your mathematics also. Okay, one more example is here. Find the LCM of 25 and 40. So first we have to factorize both the numbers with prime numbers. So first of all I am taking 25 and I divide it. Let's check from 2. First of all we have to check from the 2. So check it with 25. 25 is not divisible by 2. Okay, you have to remember the divisibility test of all the numbers also. Okay, which numbers is divisible by 2, which numbers is divisible by 3. So just looking at the number, we can judge the number is divisible or not divisible with that number. Okay, so there is also some theory, I explain you later it is, but now 25 is not divisible by 2. Okay, so what we have to do, we check with 3. Again we have to check with 3. So 25 is also not divisible by 3 also. So let's try with 5. Next number it is 5. Let's try with 5. So in 5, 25 is divisible. Okay, so we have to take 5 here, and 5, what it is? 5 ja 25, and again 5 here. So we have to check with 2, here again 3, but in both the cases 5 is not divisible. So I take 5 here again, and it is 5 1 ja 5. Okay, and just write the factors like 25 is equal to 5 cross 5 or 5 into 5. Again have to factorize the next number 40. Okay, so in 40 also we have to check with 2. It is also divisible by 5, we know, but we have to start with the smallest prime number always. That is the process. Okay, so first of all we have to check with 2, and it is looks like divisible by 2. So I taking 2 here, and 2 ja 4, 2 0 ja 0, 2 2 ja 4, 2 0 ja 0, it is 20. Again 20 is divisible by 2, so I am taking 2 here, 2 1 ja 2, 2 0 ja 0. Okay, again 10 is divisible by 2, 2 5 ja 10, again 5 it is, which is not divisible by 2 and 3 also, we have to take 5 here. So 5 1 ja 5. Clear? So all these factors 2, 2, 2 and 5 are the factors of prime factors of 40. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Now what we have to do? Just take the common. First check the commons. So here 5 is the common only. 5 is the common only. So LCM is equal to 5 cross Also we have to take all the uncommon numbers also. So 5 is uncommon, so take 5, and 2 2, this is also uncommon, this is also uncommon, this is also uncommon, so multiply 2 2 and 2. Okay, so and multiply all these numbers, we get 10 25, it is 2 2 2 8 ja 200 25 8 ja 200. So it is the LCM of 25 and 40. Okay, so go through this method, you can easily find the LCM of any number. Practice it in your book. In the page number 31, there are some examples to find the LCM of numbers, so practice it. Okay, thank you.